Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the brand new matte blasted 91mm 100% titanium scales from swissbianco. We see the difference on the surface finish between the blasted and the regular CNC machined finish here. The blasted one is on top, the regular finish one is on the bottom. So it's pretty darker, more tactical look on the blasted variation. The material, the workmanship is all the same. It's just the surface finish that gives it a different appearance. Next, what will follow is the same two finishes in anodized surface with single colors and multicolor splash. So that's gonna be the next video. So that's just a quick look how the blasted finish look on the titanium.